Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a regular pentagon ABCDI and an equilateral triangle DIH. So, how do I find? Let's zoom in, and I do like to do this so that it's easier for everyone. I'm going to just put this here so that I can zoom in on this. Okay. Angle IDC. Let's put it as red color. So where would that be? IDC will be here. So you will notice that it is actually an interior angle of the pentagon ABCDE. So I am going to find the sum of the interior angle for the pentagon ABCDI, and this will be pentagon 5 sides minus 2 times 180, and to give me 540. And so there are 5 angles. So angle IDC will be equals to 540 degrees divided by 5. That will give me 108 degrees. Angle ICD. So I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to make a copy of this actually, so that we can focus on that, okay? I will need this. And since I already know this is 108 degrees and angle ICD, this means that I will need to draw a line. So I hope you can see that since it is a regular pentagon, the sides are actually equal. So actually triangle ICD is an isosceles triangle. So I can easily find angle ICD by using 180 minus away 108 degree, and after that I divide by 2, since the two base angles of an isosceles triangle are the same. They are equal. And so this will give me a value of 36 degrees. Okay, just to make sure that you can see that this one is the 108. So this will be 36. Explain if CI is parallel to my BA. Well, let's have a look. Now that I know that this let's make this bigger so that it's easier for me to explain. Okay, so from here, in order for us to decide whether the line CI and the line BA is parallel, I need to know that whether this angle here and this purple color angle here Do they add up to 180? Because if they do, then these interior angles, they are 180 degree. Because interior angles for parallel lines add up to 180 degrees. So that's the key. Okay, I already know this is 108 degrees. Because it is an interior angle of this pentagon, of this regular pentagon. Well, I hope you can see that here is the purple angle BCI and the green color angle, which we have successfully found earlier, 36 degree. They add up to 108, meaning angle BCI is simply equals to 108 degrees minus away the 36 degree, and that gives me 72 degrees. And indeed, my angle ABC, when I add them up with BCI, angle BCI, what will it give me? Oh, it gives me 180. And this confirms the fact that they are indeed parallel. Okay, so since angle ABC and angle BCI add up to 180 degrees, they are interior angles. Thus, CI is parallel to BA. For the next part, let's move on. Ooh, which I'm going to just bring this over so that's easier. Okay, find angle AIH. We already know this as 108 degrees and be an equilateral triangle. Where's DIH? Yes, 60. So therefore my angle AIH is simply equals to 108 degree plus 60 degree. 168 degree. Done. And this is part of another regular n-sided polygon, which means that this angle AIH is actually an interior angle of another n-sided polygon, regular. That is what part C is trying to say. And since we already know the interior angle as 168, to solve for part C, I will then just simply make use of the exterior angle, where exterior angle and interior angle add up to 180 degree. This gives me 12 degrees, and therefore n, which is the number of sides, is simply equals to 360 degree the sum of the exterior angle dividing by each exterior angle. This will give me 30. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.